Alright guys, we got a 2008 Chevy Corvette getting brought in. This is the before. This is before. Sound decibels. We'll let you guys hear when we get done. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
Alright guys, we got a sexy gold tone manure, bro. Maroon gold accents. Chevy Corvette. With a lot of chrome and stainless steel accents. Look at that. Super shiny, super nice. But anyways, look at this. It is a new Corvette. So, let me show you guys what we did on it. Pew, pew, pew. There's a converter. There's a second converter. Then they wire into an X pipe. Then 3-inch pipe continues out the back on each side. And then he brought us two MAGNAFLOW mufflers. One right there, one right there. We stuck them up. Here's the part number on them. 14236. Look at that. Very nice, very clean. And then we finished it off with his factory tips that he came in with. They're not factory, but he brought them. Gold tips. There and right there. Come out really clean, really nice. As you guys can see. Beautiful. And there he's got the lights blacked out on the top. It's a really nice car. You can tell he's really loved this car. Really crazy about it. And then here's the stock two mufflers that were on it right there that we took off. So stay tuned guys, we're going to let you guys hear it. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe. Set, go! MAGNAFLOW mufflers. Sorry, continue. That's clean, nice, deep tone. Fits this car. Do you guys think it fits this car with the gold tips? That's not a gray cover. Gold cover, tan. Here's sound decibels. Right at 96.7. Likes it? Yeah, I think he likes it too. He stole the Vetch's show. Yeah. But it's okay. Come on. Here at the car community, we don't mind. Everything and anything is fun and nice. Like this sexy vet, that charger bar, that bubbling, and then we got him getting his trailer welded up. You never know what's going to come to exhaust annex. But you know what? We will commit it all. And we love it all. We appreciate everybody coming in. You guys will walk around with this car. It's beautiful. He's owned it since new. And it shows. The exits are right here. He's got the brakes painted too. Brake covers. Got the hitch. top on it. He's got even these. Look at that. It's different. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Set, go! MAGNAFLOWS mufflers. That's clean. Nice, deep tone. Fits this car. Do you guys think it fits this car with the gold tips? That's not a great cover. Gold cover, tan. Here's sound decibels. Right at 96.7.
Record.
Right.
The heart of the car.
The heart of the car. The soul. LS3. Nice sexy gold on red. Woo! Look at all the chrome accents. And then cold air intake. Damn. I'm telling you, when you see, oh, look at that. I like that. I like that. Let's see the inside. You guys want to see the inside? When I tell you this car is mint, guys, it is mint. One owner, beautiful car. It's very nice. Look at that. Sexy wheels. Guys, I told him get on it a little bit. He goes, ha ha, no thanks. I said, just a little bit. It's a bet.
Meanwhile.
Okay, let's not. You can't treat a vet like that. You gotta get on it once in a while. Or she'd be mad at you. And his buddy. Let's see, here comes his buddy in the other vet. See if he gives us a nice drive off. This is an R too. Nice.